For years, we have been building true expertise in high-quality packaging. And today, the future is changing, and so are we. With advanced digital printing, we enabled fully customized packagings, short runs, faster time to market, and complete flexibility. At the same time, we are committed to green printing, reducing waste, optimizing materials, and being much more responsible. Built on our strong offset foundation, we are now shaping the future of packaging. Smart, strong, and responsible.